Tomorrow, July 2nd, let's get this brown dot penny party started. Hey everybody, Easy Penny Shopping here, and I am back from vacay, and it was a great one, but it was a long one, even longer than we thought. It was fantastic. So thank you all for being patient with me. I know I haven't uploaded much along the way because I really was focusing on family. So that also means that I've also popped out of the algorithm a little bit. So please, I don't usually do this, but please make sure, like, comment, share. You can even just send to yourself, send to your friends, whatever it may be. But I need all the help I can get right now to get my bum back in the algorithm. I didn't even know I was going to say that. Okay, so let's talk about brown dot. And you know, it's something that, there are obviously F23 brown dots. Brown dot is basically a fall-winter category. That's why they're usually labeled with the F for fall. And it's typically warmer type stuff. You know, you're not going to see a lot of spring and summer colors. It's going to be more winter type things. But, you know, over the years, resets have happened a lot more. And I know we get upset, or not upset, but we get down when they reset things. But there's a flip side. Always try to look at the positive. That just means there's that many more pennies for the next round. And what's even crazier is as soon as brown dot started coming back out this year, I started checking it because they were old. Like, I saw things and I'm like, wait, that's from yes. So a lot of F18 and F19s hit the shelves first thing like they were new. I'm guessing that's more the warehouse clean out. But so we're looking at anywhere from F18s to F23s for our brown dot this year. And it all depends on each store, all right, or even each area, because those items are what's left over from each year. So you may walk in one store and see 15 of these different things. You may walk in a store 20 miles away and you don't see a single one of these things. So there are a ton of visuals, because we're talking years of visuals that are out there right now. So I've got two parts. Obviously, this is part two. Part one went out to paid members first. So brown dot started going at remodels last year. And so when I was doing all my remodel research, I came across these mugs and I'm like, whoa, why are these going to be pennies? So here we go. Now, I did show these in part one and explained it more. The UPCs and stuff will be in this video, but just so you guys can see them in real life, which if you guys have watched very many of my Talkie Talk videos, you've seen me drink out of these mugs because I got a crap ton of them. There are actually 3 different ones. They all have gold handles, so they stand out, okay? I have not seen these in my local stores this year, but I also scooped them up last year, so they could be anywhere. They could be almost everywhere but my area. But there are 3 different ones. Follow Your Heart, It's a New Day, and I feel like the other one is Be Yourself. I feel like it says it in black. Anyways, so you're going to be looking for these mugs. And the reason they don't make sense is because they have our red Christmas square. So, I don't know which way that was. But anyways, red Christmas square, which should have went with Christmas, right? No, let's just throw them into fall. You know, whatever. But they also came out with 2 new ones this year. And I was watching them for Christmas, and they did not fall into Christmas, even though they had red price tags. Of course, they went up $1. The other mugs are $3 instead of $2. Go figure. But I was checking them for Christmas. They didn't go with Christmas. So then once brown dot started going down in price, you can bet I was checking them, because I'm like, I wonder if these are going to fall in just like our gold handled ones. Sure enough, they did. And another thing that relates them to the brown dot is they are regarding pet, right? We usually have some pet type themes in our brown dot, whether it's our wildlife or different pet sayings on different things. So these other ones, they're also in the video. They are mugs, I believe. Those are brown dot. The cat face ones are actually brown dot. And then there's a couple that have sayings on them that are pet related, that red square, but brown dot. I don't know. Make it make sense. I can't make DG make sense, but I'm guessing this stuff's going to be left on the shelf. It's going to be mixed in, most likely in your NCI 500,000 different types of cups and glass area. So be looking for these. Other than that, really it's just a matter of looking everywhere, okay? You don't know where people put things throughout the store. So you're going to be looking up, down, all around, because they could be anywhere. You could find mugs in the auto section. I don't know. Like, seriously, I'm being serious. So if you're really searching, make sure you search everywhere, because somebody may have stashed just random customers. They decide they don't want something. They set it down in whatever area they're in. So make sure you're looking everywhere. Make sure you're checking things that could fall in, even if it doesn't have a brown dot. And again, this is how I come across hidden pennies or fall-ins or surprises or whatever you want to call them, because I check a lot of things, even if they don't have that actual seasonal thing on them. So, there could be a lot of scanning that doesn't end up being a penny, but you could also scan that one random thing that's an F21, and sure enough, it falls in. So just go out there, give it your best, watch my videos, because I guarantee, and I'm going to say this with confidence, I really am, I guarantee I have more visuals out there than anybody, because I really do try so hard to get you the most visuals, the most UPCs, so that you can really get a good idea before you go out on the hunt, okay? But keep in mind, seasonal is going at remodels now. So brown dot has went at remodel stores. If your stores have remodeled recently, unless you've been in there lately and you've seen there's still a bunch of brown dot, I would not put them at the top of your list, all right? And please don't tell me there's no brown dot out there. There may not be brown dot in the 4 or 5 stores you've checked, or maybe not very much. But yes, there's still brown dot out there. I promise you. But you may have to go further out. You may have to look harder. You may have to look in different sections. But there's definitely going to be brown dot. In the other video, I talked about, I'm now going to call them clip strippers. That's right. You guys know I love to come up with stupid things. Make sure you are checking your aisles for clip strips. Those are your plastic hanging things that they just hang in random areas. There are 3 different items that are brown dot that I have seen hanging on clip strips throughout stores that are easily missed. Also in your clearance section, some stores move seasonal to clearance and it gets all mixed in. Depending on the clearance section, that could be a crap show. So there could be things mixed in your clearance section. NCI sections, things get mixed in so much. But again, it's just a matter of doing your research, really looking hard, really memorizing those visuals. I try to share more photos of a big picture, so looking at an actual shelf and how things look on the side, if they're laid down, if they're standing up, if they're mixed in. And I feel like that helps you guys, get that focus more on what you're looking for. So as always, let me know if you have any questions. Give me feedback on this video, whatever it may be. And I want to do a video on my travel pennies, because I have certain pennies that I travel with. They help keep me organized. They help with packing. So just throwing that out there. Let me know. What are your thoughts on that type of video? Would you be interested to hear? And I also thought about doing, taking a cheaper vacation. I am a hardcore bargain shopper. It doesn't matter if it's a vacation or if it's a houseplant. So I have been booking vacations for years, and we're talking on the low because I am not rich. I have never been rich. We do take a vacation every year. I make sure that we take a vacation every year. I think it's very important for you and your family to get away, whether it's 20 minutes away or it's 20 hours away. But I definitely have some tips and tricks on how to make those trips cheaper. So let me know if you would like to hear some more about that. And yeah, all right. Enjoy these visuals, UPCs. Good luck tomorrow. And as always, peace, love, pennies. See you soon.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up. Working all the time, make it duller. Be a student, tie to make $1. Wanna live life like I'm on vacation. Gotta get those good vibrations. Oh, glowing so bright, I'm going solar. I'm riding high and it just goes up. Loving what I do and I know nothing gets me down, 'cause I can turn it round like. Wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like, I like it better when we all get loud. I feel the goodness all around, like, I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. Feeling like a top-down summer. I've been on the rise, it's a come up. No, I don't gotta try, I'm a natural stunner. Hitting home runs like a baseball runner. Yeah, I just go up, never coming down, down. Good things show up, got me saying wow, wow. Oh, wow. Glowing so bright, I'm going solar. I'm riding high and it just goes up. Loving what I do and I know nothing gets me down, 'cause I can turn it round like. Wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like, I like it better when we all get loud. I feel the goodness all around, like, I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. Yeah, I'm feeling good and yeah, I'm feeling great. Every time I look around, it's like it's in my face. Yeah, nothing in this world is taking that away. 'Cause my people are my people, I'm not running in your race. But I run real hard like a track star. I don't gotta run hard just to get far. 'Cause I work real hard, but then I play harder. That's how I know that I'ma get farther. Wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about.